Atskapungiri kevi John Suto Naneriats Ngajak pari life po Kapat tipi-tiping na Yagakarakal tiri karet Toro rales ito Atskapungiri kevi veirisin Akawin Ngeri Ifan John to all my subscribers. Giri Sogiri. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Meawaiye ya kurok. Fisu. It's 6:54. Akurak fisu kane nekuriarupin. Yue. Seyor pakkapavutsat. Atsaren yo Upoe petsakun manerie vikara. Atsaren yo kiramwe. Puan atsaren yo mefi ika epueoro que vivet cara unit nori que recibas. Ika unit pisek. Boy. Atsaren yo potori kevi. Ngay kaise. Ayue que sakwane tipanga. Que pasakwa be patient. Ay ti sakwan. Feye se potoro. Let's porosen. Oh, ads. Met nyo perfecto wariva. Oise que sitoa oise pisi. Ngese wo sipora ekis karegeri Christmas. Ngese wo vekotori. Afe puputave traffic waruruka. Oise pisi ro que sitoa. Yuira pota. Ika Abby Puanton sesefeten wakian me nositoa fokuturets pu eka puane sopororier parire poputarier iwebe parit tepete me so erexiten me iwira pataturets usak parata parapan Ikawo o rage e porengabet po wa koiman usa para tapuan ekeni fitzak. Ewe iratsak eka pongiri kevi. Ye al kurion. Ay pai puin meawai. Neket. Retorong noresito ay ewa karakautir. Hace pugura Merone tipe Ikerei ngakaba Karabello rats karagmar Fite fofo kono karasitoa O amarre ritsa kapariti beri Efe Anyways Hace parisi de ver Oye hay que sarra Eweira welcome to my live. What's up? Hello, hello. I'm just chilling here at Ross. Hi, bro. I'm not a bro. I'm a lady. I am a woman, okay? I'm from Chuk. Google Chuk. Chuk is in Micronesia. Chuuk. You got it? That's where I'm from. What about you? Where you from? Hello, welcome to my live. Nothing special here. I'm just boring. I'm just bored, bored. That's why I'm on live. Okay. Hi. Well, I'm in Hawaii. What about you? Where are you from? Oh, I've been there. I went there last year, summer. Rick, how's my day today? Well, I'm tired. I just got off work. That's true. You're not far. How long is the drive from Oregon to California? I'm just so tired. I'm waiting for my voice to. Happy belated birthday. How old are you? Happy birthday. Happy belated birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Happy birthday to you. Oh wow. Happy 12th birthday to you. You're a baby. You guys know what this is? This is called Irona. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. That looks cool. Yeah, this. Okay, bye bye.